Indulge in the art of coffee and tea with luxury porcelain cups that redefine your drinking experience. Experience British royal elegance with the DUJUST Tea Cup Set. Elevate your Featuring exquisite relief printing, golden trims, and a stunning metal stand, this 8.5-ounce set is perfect for sophisticated tea parties. Designed for cappuccino lovers, the LETAOTAO espresso and tea cups bring a touch of Turkish elegance. The fine porcelain, gold trim, and sleek design perfectly balance luxury and practicality. Minimalist yet stylish, this 7-ounce cappuccino set with bold black trim adds a contemporary touch to your coffee routine. Whether you enjoy a rich espresso, creamy latte, or aromatic tea, this set enhances every sip. Turn your coffee break into an experience with the YOLIFE Geometric Cappuccino Set. White porcelain, black trim, and a modern shape, these cups make a statement on any coffee table, whether at home or in the office. Luxury, elegance, and functionality, all in one cup. Elevate your tea and coffee moments with these stunning porcelain sets, perfect for gifts, home decor, or simply indulging in your daily ritual. Shop now and upgrade your coffee experience. Subscribe for more luxury home finds.